Hi friend, good evening. Today I will quickly discuss about three things. One, today's profit around INR 12,836 per lot using my favorite and now famous because I almost find that 200 people you actually invested in this the Power Lantern Jackpot Nifty trading strategy. I want to thank you everyone, and I also discuss performance last 3 month detailed trade by trade tracker. I also discuss about the detailed strategy in this video. So what is the Power Lantern Jackpot Nifty trading strategy? I will discuss the exact strategy, but before that, I will explain you how you can find using Excel sheet trades like as I mentioned today. Per lot you could have earned 12,800 360 36 rupees. So this is the Excel sheet, my friend, and what you have to do every day after market hours, you have to enter. Remember, I said after market hours, you have to enter the data high and low of first 15-minute candle, high and low of second 15-minute candle, and the high and low of the third 15-minute candle. What is the logic behind that? I will describe in this video shortly. But before that, let's say yesterday was 27th of February, and what we have to do, suppose after yesterday's market we have to take the data of high low of first 15 minute. Let's enter the data here. As you can see now that this question is tomorrow is a Power Lantern jackpot opportunity, it is saying no, try next day. But let's see what's happened if we input the data here. After market close yesterday you have to do it. So high of the yesterday's first 15-minute candle was 11,685.00, and the low was 11,625.05. The second candle high low was 11,639.95, and the low was 11,600.05. The high of the last candle was 11,639.45, and the low was 11,614. As I enter this data, as you can see the message here, this red square, it is transferring into yes. So it is the data of 27 February, and it is saying tomorrow is a jackpot day. So if it says tomorrow is the jackpot day, what you have to do, I clearly mentioned in this same Excel. So what you have to do, the strategy is next day you have to be, it is very simple strategy, nothing to complicate here. If sell, this sale is says yes, then trade on breakout of next day first 15-minute candle. You have to trade simply the breakout of the first 15-minute candle. If you find that market break above the high of the first 15-minute candle, then you have to go long, and if you find that the market is breach the low of the 15-minute candle, then you have to go short. This is so simple, and you have to hold the trade. If you have to hold the trade till 3 p.m. We exit all those trade in a jackpot day till 3 p.m. So this is the strategy. Once you find once you find this strategy here, over here, that it is saying yes, then you have to trade the first 15-minute candle breakout next day, and you have to hold the trade till 3 p.m. If you do so today, then your trade should have been entered below this 15. This is a 15-minute chart. Your trade should have been uh, executed below this 15 minutes, and your stop loss should be here, and you will exit at the trade at 3 p.m. Around this zone. So today's entry was around, this is the traced, and I actually tested this strategy over a year, and now recently last 3 months since I started trading this strategy is now this year is giving the best result among all of my strategy. And as you can see that today's entry was around 11313, and today's exit was around 11,419. That was simply these level around this 3 p.m., and our entry was below this low, which was 11,322. I kept a little bit buffer and executed my short trade today. So here you can see the exact trade by trade track sheet of the strategy's outcome so far from the 3rd December, from the last 3 months, December, January, and February. The total trade it generates around 24. Among that, 17 was profitable. So the profitable percentage was around 71%, and the total points it gained around 730 point. Now total profit reached to 54,750, and I came across that few comments I received that what is the validity of this tax sheet. Now simply I can say you that I can take a challenge of 50k. So if you download this Excel and if you check the trade by trade each day mentioned over the ebook, you can download here using the link in descriptions, and if you prove me wrong that it is not generated this much of profit, then I just simply give your number and I will transfer at least 50k in your bank account. Yes, I am so confident with this strategy because I really personally trade this strategy, and so there is no questions of this success so far. Yes, it is. Some time to time it may go wrong, and you can lose money. For example, in our last three trade, we lose money. In last three trade, in one trade we lose 13 rupees, 13 points, sorry, and another trade we lose 48 point, and another trade consecutive three losses of 13, 48, and 47 point. Then we have a big 171 profit which recover not only the all losses but also it give us a profit. So this is trading and these things can happen, but as you can see that December and January the accuracy was quite high, and yes, no strategy can run in this manner, and obviously we will have some time to time losses, but then this strategy I can say you that you should try at least one this strategy if you are trading Nifty. So this is the best strategy so far I have developed. I am very confident on this strategy's performance, and as I mentioned that I can take a 50k challenge if you prove me wrong over the last 3 months. If this is not the performance, I will transfer you 50k in your bank account. So now let's discuss what is the exact strategy. Now I call this strategy as a the power lantern jackpot trade. It's all about physics and geometry. Nothing technical, nothing anything. There is no technical or mathematics. It's purely physics and geometry. Now let's discuss about. So this ebook you can download from the descriptions. Now what is the strategy? See, this is, suppose this is the first candle of the day, 15-minute candle, and this is the second candle of the day, and this is the last candle of the day. So if I take the lowest low of the first two candle and the highest high of the first two candle, and if I call it point A and point B, and if I take the low of the last candle, let's say the point D, and the high of the last candle, that is this point C, if I connect point A to point C and point B to point D, then obviously these two lines will intersect at some point of the day. Now based on this cross and the time, because we have time over it here, this cross is happening after 2 p.m., before 2 p.m., after 12:30, before 12:30, when this cross is happening yesterday, as I mentioned that it is like that. If I connect this high with this low, and if I connect this low with this high, then somehow here these intersections will happen, and yesterday it was happen, and based on that this excel sheet feed with this data, based on this cross the next day, whether there will be a big movement or not, we can gauge that. Another point, here you can find that this line which connect point A to point C actually develop an angle over here, and this angle, whether it is the 45-degree angle, 30-degree angle, 20-degree angle, more the narrower the angle will be, the consolidations of the day is more stronger. See, try to understand, it is the, I call it is the volatility squeeze. When the volatility is squeezed, the next thing is likely to volatility to increase. So this strategy is based on that. Fortunately, you do not need to analyze anything, because you have an excel sheet where you have to put simply the data. As I show you in this excel sheet, you have to put this high, the first candle, second candle high low, and the last candle high low. The excel will automatically analyze this thing. The excel will automatically analyze these things and give you the trade for the next day. Now in this ebook, which you can download from the description, you will not only find the track sheet. I already given there the track sheet. As I mentioned, this track sheet, if you want to check, you can check. If you prove me wrong, I will give you 50K in your bank account. So and I also show trade by trade, couple of trade example I have given. What was the date? It was the 2nd January. The trade was long, entry stop loss is like that, and I also give some screenshot of this my trade, so that you can understand exactly what's happened. I have given a lot of example here. You can download this excel sheet from the description, and you can check accordingly. I must say that this strategy is so far the best strategy I found trading the Nifty, and I hope that it will help, and I hope that it will solve the biggest problem of trading, is that more we trade, more stress we need to consume. So this strategy is designed to take to have less trade, less stress, less stress, and more success. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.